Bakit kaya hindi na priority ng generation ngayon ang magkaroon ng anak? Napapansin mo ba na maraming mga tao ngayon ang hindi na nagmamadali magkaanak? Mas inuuna nila yung career, healing, or personal growth. Minsan di na siya automatic step, tulad ng dating mindset ng mga tao. According to psychology and social research, ang priorities natin nagsishift based sa environment, stress levels, at life demands. Yung generation ngayon, ang laki ng kanilang financial pressure, career uncertainty, at increased awareness sa kanilang mental health. Ngayon, tinitimbang na nilang mabuti yung kanilang long-term responsibility, especially when it comes to raising children. There is also a higher focus on self-awareness and emotional readiness. Kaya mas conscious sila mag-decide kung kailan at kung gusto ba nila magkaanak. Okay lang kung ibang timeline mo. Lifelong commitment yung pagiging parent. At okay lang na mag-take ka ng time para magdesisyon kung ano yung naka-align para sa'yo. Pag iba yung path na pinili mo kaysa sa ibang tao, it doesn't mean you're behind. Sometimes it means you're being intentional and making sure that you're completely ready before taking a big step in your life. For more guidance on life choices, emotional clarity, and self-awareness, click the link on my bio or visit dinasalonga.com.
Ask Dina.